Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making HASSELBACK potatoes with ground beef. Now this dish is inspired by a seminar I attended in Idaho at the John Deere Tractor Trailer Convention. It was served as a main dish for lunch, and boy, is it really delicious. The recipe and the links to the products you see me using here will be in the description below. We do have a Facebook group called Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. Ding! And there is a cookbook available. My cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie.
Available
on Amazon. Of course, the link will be in the description below. I'm ready to make the spin-off HASSELBACK potato with ground beef dish. Shonda, thanks for the suggestion to make HASSELBACK potatoes. Let's cook!